2025 Chevrolet Silverado EV. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, Bluetooth. This is a top-rated dealer. Take home the car of your dreams today.